While soft closed toilet seats are very popular, after a while they lose their friction and fall too quick. To repair, you need to remove the seat from the toilet by pressing the buttons, and when off you can remove the hinge cartridges like that. Pull the cartridges out of the seat and you can see the two components. The black connects to the toilet via the pegs and the white to each component of the seat, that is the seat and the lid. Disassemble the hinge and then you can see how the hinge works. Normally the space between the two components, with each with its two vanes, is filled with a viscous grease. To do a cheap repair, we can use some silicone lubricant grease, the type of grease that's usually used with plastic plumbing components. You can get some from your DIY store or plumbing supplier. And then we're just going to fill the spaces between the vanes with that grease. The grease stopping the vanes turning too quickly and giving the friction for the hinge. Then we can reassemble the hinge with the space between the two pairs of vanes being completely filled with the grease. The grease will squeeze out of the gaps, and then we can put the washer and the nut back on the spindle and tighten the whole assembly down. Do the same to both hinges and remember which hinge goes on which side. One hinge controls mainly the seat and the other the lid. Wipe off the excess grease and check that the hinge has been tightened down sufficiently. Then the two cartridges can be put back in their respective sides. And while it may not be quite as good as new, it should fall much slower and be a softer close than it has been. Just check that both the seat and the lid are falling properly.